I think they were probably already planning to do quite a bit, if not in the next meeting, but certainly looking forward over the next 6 months. Because, of course, here in the UK, a lot of the economy is being still supported by short term measures. I'm thinking in particular of the furlough scheme. And once that comes to an end, the downward pressure on inflation, the unemployment, the economic situation will be a lot more stark. And so they're really having to be thinking not just about this month, but at the coming 6 months and what needs to be done in order to support the economy through that transition coming out of the short term measures.
In terms of sectors that are likely to be impacted by this new information, obviously we're very focused on the UK bank stocks, and what this implies, I guess, is that the net interest margin is not going to improve for a very long time. But we are getting idiosyncratic announcements, HSBC perhaps reconfirming that those big job losses it talked about in February will in fact be implemented. Could you talk to us a little bit about maybe the banks, the real estate stocks, some of those sectors that are likely to move over the next few days on the BOE announcements?
Yeah, I think it's worth remembering that these are some of the most economically sensitive sectors. So, in very layman's terms, if the economy is doing well, these sectors are doing well. If the economy is doing well and you get good inflation, then you get wage inflation. You get people saving more, investing more, buying property, upsizing. Mortgage rates are preferential for banks. However, if you have an economy that's struggling, even if it's just for a short period of time, that sector struggles, particularly thinking about the fact that real estate has already been under quite a lot of pressure anyway. Some of the banks took a lot of medicine last time around in 2008, and so they should have reserves that they can call on, albeit there will be job losses within that sector. But I think that at the thinnest end, at the real pinch point, is the real estate stocks. And so it will be interesting to see what happens in the next 3 to 6 months for the economy and what the fallout is for that sector.